Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a tropical storm is approaching in the Philippines, and I'm going to read you this article. Tropical storm Rai is steadily strengthening east of the southern Philippines and is on the verge of becoming a typhoon. The storm is on track to reach the southern and central portions of the country Thursday. Rai currently has sustained winds 70 miles per hour, putting it just shy of typhoon strength, 74 miles per hour. Favorable conditions across the region, including very warm ocean waters and low wind shear, will likely lead to steady strengthening up to landfall. The current forecast from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center is for Rai to reach 165 kph or 105 miles per hour at landfall. This would make Rai equivalent to a Category 2 hurricane on a Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. In the Philippines, the storm is known as Odette and is being monitored locally by the PAG-ASA. The outer bands of the storm will spread rain into the southern and central regions of the court Wednesday, according to PAG-ASA. Thursday morning through Friday morning, the rains are expected to be heavy to intense and at times torrential. PAG-ASA said in its forecast bulletin early Wednesday morning. More than 10 inches of rain will fall across portions of Minero and the Visayas. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce it, just excuse me, okay? The intense rain is expected to cause widespread flooding, flash flooding, and landslides in higher terrain. PAG-ASA had already issued tropical cyclone warning signal 1 for high winds along the coast within the next 36 hours. The agency said it will likely raise warnings to signal 2 on Wednesday and signal 3 on Thursday as typhoon strength winds move onshore. Wednesday is a day for preparations to occur ahead of the primary impacts. Conditions across the region are expected to steadily deteriorate. Thursday, with the storm ultimately making landfall Thursday afternoon or evening local time, early Thursday morning. In addition to the strong winds, flooding, and landslides, coastal regions will be on alert for 2 to 3 meters of storm surge, and shipping vessels will become extremely rough seas over the next several days. In the West Pacific, there is no defined season for tropical systems as there are in other basins like North Atlantic, while activity peaks in the late summer to early autumn. Storms can occur in any month of the year. The Philippines is no stranger to catastrophic storms in December. In last decade, numerous intense and deadly storms have impacted the region. In 2011, tropical storm Washi killed well over 1,000 people in the southern Philippines and never made it to the typhoon status. The storm was comparatively weak, but dumped massive amount of rainfall, leading to devastating flash flooding and landslides during the overnight hours while people were sleeping. Just a year later, in December 2012, Bofia also hit the southern Philippines region of Mindanao. Bofia was much stronger than the Washi hitting the region as a super typhoon and also killed more than 1,000 people. The Philippines were also struck by strong and deadly typhoons in December 2014 and 2016, when Typhoon Nakten struck on Christmas Day. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post the link to this article under the video title. I'm going to close this out. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.